morning, welcome to YouTube. This is my first video in a while. I'm sorry I haven't posted in forever. This is my first reaction video. Cat doesn't want to leave warm bath. As you can see, it's a little kitten. And this is my first reaction video. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the woman tries to get the kitten out of the bathtub. The kitten meows and climbs back in. Oh, so cute. They're trying to get the kitten out of the bathtub, but it just won't leave. That is the end of the video. Have a great day, and we will see you another day. Bye!